Good morning, dear students. Today's topic is the giant turnip. Giant means very big, and turnip is a round white vegetables that grows under the ground. This is a turnip. So let's come to the chapter. Harish finds a seed. What is seed? Seed is a small hard part of the plant from which a new plant grows. When we eat any fruit, we find a small hard part in it. This is called a seed. He goes to the garden. So Harish finds a seed. Then he goes to the garden. What is garden? Garden is a place where we grow plants, trees, vegetables, fruits, flowers, etc. He puts the seed into the ground. When he found a seed, he goes to the garden and put the seed into the ground. Harish waters it every day. The seed grows little by little. We all know when we put a seed into the ground, then it's really necessary to water the seed to grow. Green leaves open. Then a fat root pushes down into the ground. The fat root is a turnip. And then when the seed bursts, then small green leaves comes out from the seed. And we know that roots grow inside the ground. And turnip is a vegetables that grow under the ground. So the fat root is a turnip. The turnip looks very juicy. It grows bigger day by day. And here the fat root is a turnip. And if you see the turnip, it looks very juicy. With time, it becomes very big, very huge. Soon it becomes very big. It is white below and purple at the top. If you see the appearance of turnip, you can see in the it is white below and purple at the top. Harish wants to eat the turnip. He tries to pull the giant turnip. So Harish wants to eat that vegetable. So he goes to the garden and he tries to pull the giant turnip out of the ground. It does not move. He pulls hard. He falls. The turnip does not move. It is too big. He calls his wife Mala. Come pull with me, he says. Harish tries his best to pull the turnip, but he was unable to put out the turnip from the ground. Then he calls his wife Mala. His wife name is Mala. So he calls his wife. And now both try to pull out the vegetable. They pull together. He falls. The turnip does not come out of the ground. Harish calls his children Bunty and Rupa. He asks them to help him. What is the meaning of he-fo? This is a sound when we make a big effort to pull or lift something. So both husband and wife try to pull out the turnip, but it does not come out of the ground. Then Harish calls his children. His children names are Bunty and Rupa. He calls them. He asks them to help him. And he says to help them. Harish pulls the turnip. Mala pulls Harish, Bunty pulls Mala, Rupa pulls Bunty. 1, 2, 3, he, 4. In this picture you can see they make a chain. Harish pulls the turnip and Mala pulls Harish, Bunty pulls Mala and Rupa pulls Bunty, and they all try to pull out the turnip. They say 1, 2, 3, he, 4. All pull the giant turnip, he 4. The turnip moves a wee bit, they pull some more. And after too much effort or struggle, the turnip moves a little bit from its place. They try once again. Hurrah! The turnip comes out at last, and after a lot of struggle, the turnip comes out. They cut the giant turnip and cook it. What a big meal it makes! After that, they cut the giant turnip into pieces and cook it. Harish calls his friends to lunch. They all eat the giant sweet turnip. Everyone is happy. And Harish invites his friends to enjoy the delicious vegetable, and they all enjoyed it, and everyone feels happy. Now let's come to the exercise. Circle the correct answer. The turnip grows above the soil or under the soil. The answer is under the soil. The turnip grows dash every day, big or small. Correct answer is big. He pulls hard, he 4. The turnip does not move. It does not move because it is very fat and big. Hurrah! Hurrah! The turnip comes out at last. The turnip comes out of the ground when Harish, Mala, Rupa and Bunty pull it together. So this chapter is over and read it again. Thank you.